Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to rate and review a book. So if you wish to give some review, just open books, mark the book or just locate the book that you wish to give this review to, tap on more icon, and here you will notice rate and review. Click to do it, and at first you can rate it, so just choose the rating that you wish to apply. Let me give it, for example, 5 stars. Then enter review title, and then tell others what you like in this book. So just write a review here. Once it's done, once you enter the particular review that you want to give, just tap on submit to save it and share it with others. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.